I've bought ugu and there is not water leaf in the market. Even the ugu self is very scarce. It's very scarce. So I'm going to be plugging my water leaf from the garden. Yes, at least finally my garden is serving me. All thanks to Mr. Ifeanyi, Mr. Ifeanyi for his encouragement. He encouraged me to start up the garden, and I'm forever grateful for him. Yes, for inspiring me. Yes, I only know about farming, farming on normal land, but garden, so he gave me that idea. He inspired me, he encouraged me, and I'm grateful. God bless him. Here is my garden. This is water leaf and pepper plants, carrot plants, tomatoes, and yam. This is yam. Yes, it has sprouted out. This is tomatoes plants. I had to replant them because the first one I planted, lizard trampled on them and destroyed them. Okay, these are tomatoes, pepper. Yes, tomatoes. This is carrots plants, tomatoes, carrots. So you can see this is with the water leaf that started bringing out flowers, so it's mature enough. So this is sesame plant. You can see it has brought out fruit. See the fruit and see the flowers. So this is how sesame bring out fruit. Okay, so this is tomatoes plant. This is onions. I tried it and it germinated, so I'm going to be planting more. Yes, so this is it. This water leaf too, and carrots. So I'm going to be harvesting it. See, all these ones too, they are still tomatoes plants. So I'm harvesting the water leaf now. Harvesting it. So thank God water leaf is saving me. Yes, so this is it. This is what I was able to get. Wow, at least. I'm removing the flowers, okay? So this is what I was able to get. So see you in my next video. Thank you.